If you've been struggling with bad credit, you've probably heard it before. Just rebuild it with a credit card. Easier said than done, right? You try to apply and get denied. Or worse, you get approved for a card with $300 in fees, a $200 limit, and no chance of moving up. Here's the truth. You can rebuild your credit with a credit card, but only if it's the right one. That means a card that reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, one that doesn't destroy you with hidden fees, and one that actually gives you room to grow. And the best way to find those cards? SuperMoney. SuperMoney is a free tool that shows you credit cards designed specifically for rebuilding. No guessing, no wasted applications, no hard pulls just to see your options. You answer a few quick questions and it shows you cards you're likely to be approved for, cards built to help raise your score, and cards that don't punish you for rebuilding. You don't need to spend hours researching or applying to a dozen places. You just need one smart move to kickstart your credit comeback. Click the link in the description and pinned comment right now to find the best cards to rebuild credit with. Fast. You've already taken the hit. Now it's time to rise, one on-time payment at a time.